Hello, I'm Stewie the ice cube, and I live in a freezer. That means all of my molecules are tightly packed with very little energy. Like this. All of my molecules are tightly packed, and they have very little room to move around, so they can only vibrate in place. Like that. One day, the human opened the freezer. Its hand reached and grabbed me, and it plops me into the water. The water's warm, and I can feel my molecules slowly gaining energy, and the intermolecular space is increasing. Then I realize I'm melting. Now, his molecules are starting to look like this. They have more room to move around in space. I felt my molecules gaining more and more energy. There's more intermolecular space. I'm almost at melting point. Do you know what that means? I'm going to evaporate and become a gas. But I have a plan. I'm going to melt all the way. I will have the definite shape of the surround glass and a definite volume. And my molecules won't be so tightly packed anymore. They will sit me in the sink and I'll wait until I evaporate. Perfect! But wait, I have to be at boiling point. That's what I learned in ice class. But how am I going to get to the stove? I've never had this much energy in my molecules before. All of a sudden, I hear someone say, "Put more water on the stove now." That's perfect. All I need is to be poured into the boiling pot. Then I'll have no definite shape and no definite volume. My molecules have so much energy and there'll be so much intermolecular space. The molecules will be able to quickly slide past each other. I will become a gas and work my way to the freezer. Now Stewie is completely melted. My molecules are going crazy. Then I realize the AC isn't on and the water's boiling. Just what I need. The person picks up the cup and pours me into the boiling pot. I am so hot. My molecules have so much energy, and the intermolecular space that is between them is very far. I've never imagined what it'd be like to have no definite shape or volume. Now I'm at boiling point. I'm going to be a part of condensation at any second, and I can already see the water droplets on the side of the pot. I'm so hot. I can feel my molecules starting to collect on the side. My tiny molecules are lifted into the air, and I was floating, and I was moving quickly. I can feel my molecules sliding down the pot and fall from the bottom. As soon as I was inside the cold freezer, I instantly felt my molecules lose energy. The molecules came closer together and decreased the intermolecular space between them, and now I have a definite shape and definite volume. Now my molecules are back to normal. There's very, very little intermolecular space, and they have very little room to vibrate, or move around, I should say. Now that is the last time he's going next to the door. The end.